Hello, so this is the first part of two videos that I will upload. In this part we install Windows 11 on the SSD, and in the second we will deploy Windows and install apps that we don't want. So first I want to say that warning, because we will format our SSD, so be careful with your data, backup everything from your external SSD, and also the link for the app is in the description. So let's begin the video. Hello, so today I wanted to show you how to install Windows 11 on an external SSD or hard disk drive if you have one. In my case, it's a Kingston 120 GB SSD. So we will use an app called WinNTSetup. Sorry. So I will leave a link in the description. So we need to download files, okay. Now I already connected my SSD. I will go to boot ICE. As you can see, it's here. Don't format your local or the hard disk drive that you have on your laptop or PC. So yeah, let's go to parts manage, party tuning, git, and then let's delete from every partition, and we will leave only the first one. Type a 9 to make it use all the space. You can set a label so you know what's that. I will type Windows 11 and create ESP and MSR. Then continue. Successful. I hope my microphone works great. Yeah, I think it's working. So yeah, now exit. Now we need a Windows ISO. Let me get my SSD. You can download the ISO from Microsoft's official website. Yeah, so I think I have ISO here, English. Yeah, it seems like that, but I think I have a newer version here. Yeah, I will use this version. Then we search for our SSD and then the partition EFI. What? Wait. Make sure that it selects the right partition before doing something. Yeah, double click, like click it 2 times if it's red. So now select the partition where Windows will be installed, then select the edition that you want, and if you have any drivers that you want to put, you can put them here. I don't have any specific drivers. You can change the primary like drive letter if you want a different one. So let's go to tweaks. Here we can change some things about our system. For example, remove checkboxes from selected items. Yeah, so show CMD in context menu, show hidden files and folders, show all extensions. So if you want to restore classic menus like here, not this but this, show small desktop icons. Okay, show computer on desktop, also a useful thing. Remove shortcut to, okay. If you want to disable transparency of windows, boot to desktop. If you want to skip modern UI screen, I don't know what, I think it's like the lock screen. Disable the new touch bar, no. Okay, so this is only if you know what you do. Yes, it's here. I will disable Windows Defender because it's a SSD for like testing, so I don't need. And disable Hibernate because I don't need it on an external SSD. I don't think you would need this on a official ISO file. Disable reboot on okay, so you have more time to see what the BSOD says to make a photo or something. Okay, now disable Windows Search Service. Sometimes it helps with high CPU usage. So yeah, the Windows page, no, I won't disable it. So if you want to have some registry tweaks, I don't have any. Yeah, the drivers, if you have unattended, I don't know what's that, so I will leave it here. So yeah, now setup, check if it's the right boot drive. Also, if you want to make your bootloader universal, I will put all because it's more like universal, not only like BIOS or UEFI. All means like you can start Windows on a BIOS, or on UEFI. So yeah, if you want to find and add Windows, if it's already installed, but this is useful if you are installing on a local drive. But we are installing on a SSD, so we don't need that. And automatically reboot, no, because I'm recording. Okay, so now we need to wait. Only 3 active CPU cores. I don't know why, but okay, I guess. Okay, so now I will stop recording and continue from my phone. Okay, now we click reboot. I will disconnect any other SSDs. Okay, now when our computer will start, we click escape or whatever button you have to enter BIOS, And because we selected all, now we can boot even if you don't have like disabled secure boot. So we select UEFI and our SSD. Okay, finally we are. Yeah, so I think it's restarted. We need to click escape again. Yeah, pause setup, boot menu. Finally, okay, we booted from our SSD or hard disk drive if you have one. So now we need to do the default setup. Wait, what did I select? Wait a second. So I clicked Spain, but it selected United States. Well, I don't care because it's not like it will be just to test things. So yeah, skip. Now I don't have internet. Since when there is this button? So if you don't have this button, you can also click Shift F10 and then OBE inverted like this inverted slash. Yeah, I don't know why I can hold it. Okay, here bypass and Rio. You type B and then just click tab, and now you can this button appears. I don't have internet, so I will click I don't have internet because then I can set up a offline account. Accept. Now your name. I don't need any password. I will set it up later. Yeah, because then. Okay, finally we are in Windows. We don't have sound. We don't have internet. Yeah, now we can connect internet, and we won't need like the Microsoft account. Wait a second. Okay, I'm connected. Now settings, and we need to go to Windows Update to get all our updates to our audio to work, and also we will go to Windows Store to update all our apps. It will take some time. So while it's updating, I will download, this is Windows 11. Well, first I need to download Chrome. Winget install Google. Maybe. Yeah, it's working. So we search for this is Windows 11. And also for winget.run. Download the latest release. This is Windows 11. Okay, so now let's open it. Run. Yes. Okay, let's go to customization. This I will disable the restore point. Disable Windows 11 Explorer. Show hidden files. Okay. Search icon. I don't. It looks. Wait, it's the old icon, so it's an old version. Okay. Hide chat icon. Yeah. Hide test view. No. 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 So it disables the fluent design effects. I like them, and snap assist is this thing. I like it, so I want to disable it. I will disable widgets because they use RAM and not enable desktop stickers. Remove fax, yes. Remove, no, not enable Hyper-V, all that thing, yes. This is for like privacy, for the telemetry. Windows Update, I don't know what it does. Uninstall broken updates, okay, I guess. Disable DVR feature, no, I will leave it. Disable power throttling, yes. Now privacy, I will disable all this, and apps permissions I will leave them, because sometimes you would need to use your camera and you can't. For example, in a Zoom meeting, on a Google Meet, I don't know. Yeah, so fix issues. And while it's running, let's go to winget.run and search for apps that we would want, like Discord. Well, I don't need Discord on this, but Microsoft Code, yes. Java. Okay. Java 8, yes. Java 18. Now let's search for Crystal. Disk info and disk mark. Don't really care what edition. Then what more? OCCT, it's here, no. I type it right? No. Yes, OCCT, okay. It's not here. AIDA 64, okay. No, I will install it later. So for now, I think that's all. DirectX. DirectX or DirectX, I don't know. And then Visual C++ also. Okay. Now we go down to search. Okay, also Visual Studio Community. If I need it. Okay, yeah, so we need this. The from 15, and then also the other versions, the older versions, just in case if we need them. Okay. Yeah, I think I have enough with these versions. If not, I will install them manually. Then download, I will click on download, so also I will enable running scripts if they are not enabled. Yeah. Open terminal. Now we need to search. Let's run this script so it gives us the command, like the web page where is the command to enable scripts. Yeah, so okay, here copy, paste. Now we need to search where we can enable the script's execution. Okay, here copy, we need to delete this part, and also unrestricted, copy, paste, run as administrator. Okay, I forgot that you need to run as admin. PowerShell. Yeah. Let's copy this one. Just okay. Now we copy again unrestricted, or you can type it manually. Now we can run scripts. Run script. Run with PowerShell. Open. Run once. R. And let's wait. How it's going? Yeah, it's not installing. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next part.